Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another Triple Crown FabFitFun battle with Reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten. That's right, Sue is our queen, and we are bowing down to Sue. Hi Sue! As she won our last battle. In our last battles, we used, uncustomized boxes for our battles, and we had particularly been getting almost the same thing, varied with maybe a couple of items pretty consistently. And then on top of that, FabFitFun raised the prices from $49.99 for the box to $59.99, making it no difference from a quarterly subscription box. But with a quarterly subscription box, you can at least choose 4 of your items. This would be totally random, maybe getting all the same things again, and we decided that we would purchase another annual and buy our own custom boxes. So what do I have with me today to battle out? I have my second customized box, and we're gonna look in here and see if my choices are better than Sue's, better than Laura's, and you all are gonna rate 1 to 10. But the biggest thing you're going to do is to come back and tell us who won this battle. That will help us to determine who's going to be the queen. Now, each of us has had an opportunity to be the queen. So now this battle is getting down to who is going to be the next crowned queen. Will it be Sue? Will it be Laura? Will it be me, Miss Jackie Russell? Well, we don't know until the end, until it's over. Now, this will run with a giveaway. Did I mention that? That's right, we're having a giveaway. So this will run with the giveaway through March 31st. So mark your calendars and be sure and look for the winner announcements, either the next day, the 1st or the 2nd of April. So we will get the winners out, but today we are going to battle it out, and I hope I can regain my crown, and it really is up to what you decide. That is how we run this. We let you pick the winner, and then we give a giveaway, and you can win 1 per channel, but you have 3 chances to win, if that makes any sense. We just don't duplicate winners, so do keep that in mind. I'm going to get in this box. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a subscription box that does run $59.99 a quarter, or you can purchase it for the year and get it for $54.95. I believe it comes to $219. Right now they're having their 10th anniversary, so this is like birthday cake all over their box to celebrate. And if they may be offering special deals when you go to their site. Otherwise, I will have a coupon in my descriptions that will save you $15 or $10 off your first box. I don't remember exactly what it is, but I will have it there for you. Now let's pop in this box and see what we have. I can tell you that I did buy a couple of extras, and I'm going to put them over to the side because that's not part of this battle. But here's your sneaky peeky. Alright, did you get a quick look? Alright, now I don't know if I can remember all the customizations. I do know what customization number 1 was. And I chose to get the Kate Spade sunshades of New York, and I got the cat style look. So let's take a look. These are like a value of $129. So let's see how they look. I think if you saw my first customization, you know that I picked these. So I have a pair. So what does that mean? I'll let y'all stew on that just for a little bit. But aren't these lovely? They're very good, high quality, and very, very nice. And if cat eye is something that you'd have your eyes on, then stay tuned to the end when we get to the giveaway portion of this program, so to speak. Now, my next item was customization number 2. I decided to get the daily planner, and this is a Steel Mill and Company to-do planning bundle. It's a $45 value. It's a throwback, which means they've had it before. And FabFitFun does do that sometimes, where they'll have completely brand new items, and then they'll do some throwbacks that were popular. So some of you may have already seen this and had this, but it is the to-do planner. It has a page to list the do's, apps, etc. for each day of the year, 365 days of planning, and it's a dual highlighters are included in 5 sheets of stickers. So that's what's inside here, and our stickers are on the back. And again, that was a $45 value. If you like to do planning, this is just the perfect little binder for you. This is what it looks like. So you have your place for your name on there. It belongs to you. And you got today's plan. And it's very detailed, and you can put your on date on there. So, and you can see that up at the top. Today's plan, and whatever that plan is, you can have that marked out there. I probably should write stuff down. I usually just keep everything in the top of my head. And how I managed to do all that, I don't know. Maybe I could get more organized if I wrote it all down, and that's the whole point. And this is a very nice planner, so I could see why it came back as another customization. And it's bound up good. It's kind of made out of that heavy-duty vinyl, so it's going to be sturdy and hold up really good. So that was my customization number 2. Now, if you want to see full customizations, you can go to my first video of my spring 2023 customizations. I give all the details on that video. Now on the next customization would be number 3, and on that one I chose some skincare. I chose the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. It's a $44 value. With so many proven benefits for the skin, goat milk products are becoming increasingly popular in the world of skincare, and for good reason. This goat milk cleanser from Kate Somerville is designed to cleanse and soothe the skin, leaving it soft and moisturized without tightness and or irritation. And I'm very interested in that. And like I said, this is out of the goat's milk, so it's a moisturizing cleanser. And so it's not going to be soapy or anything, and I think I'm really going to like that. It's got a seal on it, but I do plan on using this. So I'm going to pull it back to see if it has a scent. I'm just going to squeeze just a little bit out, and I want to put it on my hand. It's got a nice little scent to it, and it's not too soapy. It's kind of like a cleansing lotion. So that is very good. I'm looking forward to that. And it says it's a moisturizing cleanser, goat milk, and it's a hydrant. So very good, very good. I'm going to really like that. That was a good choice. What do you think? How am I doing on my choices? Am I going to win the crown? You got to let me know. All right, guys, let's go on to the next customization. Would be customization number 4. I chose the Fenty Beauty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. $150 they call it. It's a $24 value, so it's not overly expensive, but it's something that you can carry when you travel. It's got real dense brush on here. Man, this is super. Wow, can you see that? Can you see how dense it is? It's got Fenty Beauty, and it says need to contour on the go? No problem. Fenty Beauty has got you covered. This portable retractable brush pairs with your favorite product and will definitely earn a permanent spot on your on-the-go makeup bag, whether you're traveling or just going out and about. So that's wonderful. And again, it's a $24 value, and it's just perfect. It's just really nice and small, and I can only tell y'all this is super soft. This sold out, okay? There were several items that sold out really quick, and that was one of them. Now, in customization number 5, let's see what I got. In number 5, I got lipstick, and I don't see it on here. And sometimes it could be a throwback, but this is a super moisture lipstick. And let's just check it out here. They had a couple of lipsticks. This is True and Luscious. I can show you the beautiful color of it. And this is a color that I would like. That is very pretty. Oh, wow. So, yeah, that is a nice lipstick. I don't know that I'm familiar with the brand, but it's called True Luscious. It is hyaluronic acid and cognac root super moisture lipstick. So yeah, I would say I would really like that. That would be a good one for me, I think. Yeah, that's a pretty color. I like that deep mauvey color. Very nice, very nice. Alright guys, so far I think I'm on a win. I would have to say the value of this is probably around $30, but again, I have no clue. Just a guess. So on the last customization, I decided to go with Summer and Rose Outdoor Roundy, it says. This is a $25 value, and it says you'll be sitting pretty with this. And oh, it feels really nice. It's kind of like a towel type thing. And it says you'll be sitting pretty this season if you choose the Summer and Rose Outdoor Roundy. You can use this as an outdoor blanket, towel, or tablecloth, and it's 57 inches round. So this is a very huge like towel or roundy, like for a picnic or to have it at the beach. They even said it could be a picnic table cover. It has just got multiple purpose use, and I really love that. So that was my customization number 6, and it was a $25 value. So I don't know, I think I got a pretty good choices here that I can use, and I like all my choices. What do you think? So to wrap this up, in my box I got the roundy, $25 value. I got this beautiful lipstick that is just moisturizing with hyaluronic acid, and I can't wait to try that out. I bet it's wonderful. I got my Fenty brush, which is just excellent. Man, this is just really soft. Very nice for blending out things on the go. Carry in my purse, carry in my travel bag, but wherever I carry it, it's ready to go. It says I got my Kate Somerville cleansing milk. It is the goat milk, and I can't wait to try that out. And I've got my daily planner so I can plan things out, and this is very nice as well. And then, of course, to top it all off, I got my sunshades, the Kate Spade sunshades. And I do like me some cat eye. Oh, yes, I do. All right, guys, that is my battle. How did I do compared to Laura and Sue? Did I beat them, or is this better? Just give me a little rating between 1 to 10 for fun, and let me know how you think I did on my second customization, and we're going to battle it out. Now we're going to get to the giveaway part. Giveaway rules are this. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address within the Continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to all 3 of us. Reviews with Sue, Laura Wooten Reviews. Yes, she did change her channel. I don't know if I mentioned that, but she is now Laura Wooten Reviews. And Miss Jackie Russell. You be subscribed to all 3 of us publicly. Use a code word, and in my code word, I'm going to have you use the word spring. Yeah, because we're in spring, and this is just a little bit of fun. So use the word spring in a sentence down in the comments, and you'll be entered into this giveaway that will run through March 31st. Now, Kate Spade, FabFitFun, Kate Somerville, any name brands that we mentioned, they are not in any way, shape, or form affiliated with this giveaway, and that includes YouTube if I didn't mention YouTube. So they are not affiliated with this giveaway. This will be sent by U.S. Postal Service. I'm not responsible if they damage it or lose it, but I will give you a tracking number and pack it well and get it sent to you and on its way. Oh, one more thing. If I send you anything that you may be allergic to or could be allergic to, please test a small area because I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions. Now, what's in the giveaway? Well, in my giveaway, we are going to have some glow. This is Cocoa Glow. This is a highlighting glow for your cheeks. We're going to have that. We are going to have this, and it's by Natura Ecos, and it is a vegan restoring hair mask from the Amazons. So we're going to have that. We're going to have Raise the Root with some Wow. So if you're needing to get a little bit of more volume in your root system, we're going to have the Wow. We're going to have the Profusion eyeshadow palette. And I'll open this, see if I can open it up. I may have it sealed. I think it's sealed. Okay, so we're not opening this up because it's sealed, but you can see that it's got some shimmers in there and some mattes, and that will be in the giveaway. We're also going to have this K&C Kevin and Coco Matte Lip Gloss Kit, and it's got 6 lip glosses. So you're going to get that. And on top of all of that, I'm throwing in the Kate Spade sunshades. That's right, because I already have a pair. I got it with my free box when I did a second subscription to FabFitFun. And like I said, they could still be celebrating that. So when you go on there, you might have a pop-up to get a free box or a free mystery bag, or I'm not sure what they'll have, and it may be over with, but I also will have my code down in the description just so that you can save something if you decide to get FabFitFun. But these are the sunshades that will be in this giveaway. So that is my giveaway. What do you think? Are you ready to sign up for it? Use the word that I mentioned earlier and you will be eligible for this giveaway. And I'll have this all packed up for you, and if I can fit anything else in this box, which I probably can, I might throw in a couple more things, but for sure you'll be getting these items in my giveaway. Well guys, how did I do? I don't know. I mean, I think I picked out some pretty good things. I did pick out this lipstick. I just don't understand why it wasn't showing up on the customizations now. But that happens sometimes. Sometimes they'll have things up temporarily, and if they're completely out of it, they'll take it down. So I'm not sure on that end of it, but I do think that overall, these were good choices. Now, an item that I did buy, I think in category number 1, we had the opportunity to buy, you can do that on any of them if you want to pay a little extra. I did pick up in my customization, this is not part of the battle, but I did pick up the shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to try this out. I've heard it's really good. I usually use Joy Koi Intense Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner, so I thought I would give this a try, and it has a $52 value, and I picked it up for 15 bucks. So we'll see how that goes. I'm looking forward to trying that out because I'm out of my Joyco, and I thought instead of buying that, I'll see how this works for 15 bucks. That's a good purchase. But as for today and the battle of the FabFitFun between Sue, Laura, and Miss Jackie, that's all I have. And you guys be sure to rate us, use the code word, tell us which one of us won. Am I the new queen? Am I? I hope so. Y'all let me know. I sure would appreciate it. And I know Laura and Sue both want to be the queen too. So who did the best custom for this battle? That is the answer that we're looking for. So as for today and FabFitFun, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.